Hello, my name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will cover the third edition of Dismissal Manual that we are about to publish, and Dr. Jung Bong-soo will explain the content of the third edition of the Dismissal Manual.
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. I'm very happy to introduce my the special project that is to publish the lawful dismissal manual. So this manual has been published already 2 times. So I'm going to publish its third edition. So this time the content will be similar as before. However, I'm going to upgrade them with a more concise and direct, also more detailed explanation. So also, since this book was published 3 years ago, I have contributed more articles. So I'm going to skip, delete some not important. Also, I'll make a more balanced the arrangement for the types of dismissal cases. So this is a table of content. So I'm going to explain this order, understanding the dismissal, also justification of dismissal, like reason for dismissal, or reason, the disciplinary severity of punishment and disciplinary process. Yeah. These 3 items should be satisfied, then it can be justified with dismissal. So based on this concept, there are types of dismissal, like dismissal during the probation period, dismissal maybe is application of labor law, like the company that hired less than 5, they will not be applicable for remedy process for dismissal. Yeah. Also employee status, whether they are employee or freelancer. Yeah. Also the service period, employment service period, yeah, also is important. Also disciplinary process related labor cases. Also low performance, the employee who has a low performance, they will be punished or not. Also how it can be applicable. Yeah. Also employer who violate company service regulation. Also some collective relation related labor cases. So these are types of some disciplinary action. Also last part is we deal with some remedy process, how the dismissed employee will go through Labor Relation Commission. Yeah. So these are the basic content. So I'm going to review all of them, and I include a new edition. At the same time, I delete non-necessary or redundant part, and then I make a very concise and the interesting the content.
So compared to the second edition, which part did you mostly updated, or did you delete any part compared to the second edition?
So this manual was published 3 years ago. Now, since then, I also contributed more articles. So I'm going to review carefully whether they are suitable for their position. Also, last 3 years, I have contributed many dismissal cases. So I'm going to replace them. Also, I'm going to upgrade those content with the new the cases. So, but still, I keep the same page as before. 300 pages for Korean and another 300 pages for English. So I'll not add more. I'll not reduce more. I keep the same size as before. Yeah.
I see. So unless an employee resign voluntarily, the employer sometimes because of the poor performance or whatever, they need to dismiss an employee. but it's very difficult and can be illegal in Korean under the Korean labor law. So this is one of the whole reason why you prepared this manual, and you have been upgrading for third edition. So I think it's very strict in Korea. That's why sometimes many multinational companies close the plant rather than dismiss each and every employee. So this is why manual is so important.
Yes,
Do you agree?
yeah, fully I agree with you. So I think this is it deal with many dismissal cases, also how to get remedy. Also they are included. So also I want to add something, how to negotiate before the employee take a legal action. So settlement process also I'm going to focus on that. So mutual separation agreement is a good way to avoid any labor dispute. Also at the same time, employee get more compensation from company. So as a labor attorney, we are playing major role for some persuading each side. So I think this manual I want to add that part too. Yeah, that is a way to resolve the dispute peacefully. Yeah, people go further. Yeah. When it is filed in administrative court, it will take another 1 or 2 years. It will cause a lot of trouble to both sides. So early stage solution, it can be one way to solve. I'm going to focus on that part along with the whole process. Yeah.
I see. So who will be the major, the target major reader of this manual? Who will be beneficial to read this manual?
Of course, this book is made for my retained client. Of course, also I'm going to give a lecture to HR managers also who want to know Korean labor law. So anybody who are interested in knowing more. So I think regarding labor law application, anyone who are familiar with the legal system, they are the one who can solve the problem smoothly. Yeah. So more you know, the easier we can solve the problem. Yeah.
I see. So altogether, we have published 15 different books regarding labor law, and this third edition of Dismissal Manual is very. We look forward to the publication, and I hope that many people who are interested in this dismissal issue can purchase and read it. Do you agree?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, please look forward to seeing new edition. I'm sure this book will be better than the previous version. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.